The last one is very important is I will just let you guys know that we will come back. We will bring it back, the product that we have 4 years ago. This one called Almas, and we call it AquaAurum. So we have the atomical here, monoatomical in the liquid. And then you can use, this is a white one, you can use it to help you are connecting with the nervous system, with the power. You can put it here, or even the chakra, the crown chakra, or every chakra. Or you can have it like one drop under of your tongue. Can you have a big screen, big camera? Yeah, you can put it on under of your tongue, and then you close it like about a few drops, maybe 1 or 2 drops. You close your mouth, and then you spend time, make some wish, and then you swallow it. So this one will help to connecting all the spirals. If you are meditating, you can use this one, and even you can use it like cream or face cream. It will help this one a lot. The skin will turn white immediately. You can use like this, and it can apply in many methods for the using. It will help the connecting of the energy around the body will faster. So we stopped using it because the process of making this will cost about 2 months to get one lot. We need to have the place for this liquid to stay in a good place. We have to allow it to listen to the music, unless it will come out very little and it's not like a quality one. So we will redesign the whole place and trying to make the whole thing